Hello everybody, this is Daniel from Daniel's Outdoors. Today I'm going to be showing you a Ruger 1022 and what I've done to it so far. You can do so many different things with them, but there it is. Okay, this is the Ruger 1022. Okay, it comes with a birchwood stock. I put the sling on it. I put the BX 25 round magazines. I got several of them. I got a Simmons scope on there with the little caps that come off. This one's a flip up. I guess the back one's a flip up also. Yep, there it is. It's an adjustable. I think it's a 3x9 by 60. I put the bipod on it. It's just one of them clamp on the barrel type. I also put a flash suppressor on the end. You can see the barrel down in there. Also, I put a heat shield on it. That looks pretty cool looking. But that's it. That's my Ruger 1022. These are really good, reliable guns. So if you want to buy a good, inexpensive 22 caliber, a Ruger 1022, it would probably be your best bet for a semi-auto. Here's the other side. I like the leather sling on it also. The bipod is adjustable. You can fold them up. It gives the 1022 a totally different look, which what I was going for. I'm not going to do many more updates on this one itself. I like it just the way it is. But there you have it, the Ruger 1022. Decent guns, really reliable. Never had any jams on this gun. So if you're looking to dress up a gun and you have a Ruger 1022, I hope you like and enjoyed the video. Please hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.